In this video, we will cover the integration between QuoteWerks and Maximizer. We've created separate demonstration videos for our other third-party CRM integrations, and they are also available on our website. Let's start by creating a new quote and selecting a customer. With QuoteWerks, there is no need to retype customer information that already exists in Maximizer. In QuoteWerks, click on the Sold To, Shipped To tab of the quote workbook. To insert the currently active contact record from Maximizer into the quote, click on the Business Card button next to the Sold To, Shipped To, or Bill To fields. And you can see the customer's contact information is pulled into the quote. In addition to retrieving customer information, QuoteWerks can also retrieve additional information stored in Maximizer. Our data link feature enables you to customize which additional information you'd like to have automatically copied into the quote. To create a data link, first verify your company or contact in Maximizer has the additional data that you'd like to pull over. For this example, we want to pull the category field from the contact into the profile field located under the Sold To fields on the Sold To, Shipped To tab. To create the data link, select the Contacts, Set Up Contact Manager menu. Click on the Data Link Setup button, and this opens the Data Link Setup window. Click the New button, and then click the drop-down menu for the Contact Manager field. The available fields that you see here are from Maximizer. For this demonstration, we'll go ahead and choose the Category field from this list. Now from the QuoteWerks drop-down list, we will choose the Sold To Price Profile field, which corresponds to the Profile field drop-down list underneath the Sold To fields. Note that the direction is grayed out as this cannot be changed. The same is true of the event trigger. On Retrieve Contact means that the data link is activated when you retrieve contact information for the Sold To contact. Click OK on each of these screens to return to the quote worksheet. Note that the Price Profile field is currently blank. I'll press the Windshield Wiper button to clear the contact information from the Sold To fields. Press the Business Card button to retrieve the same contact into the Sold To field. Notice that the data from the Category field in Maximizer has been inserted into the Profile field. As you can see, the Data Link Setup window allows you to specify which additional fields from Maximizer you want to pull into QuoteWerks. Once you've established the links, the values from these fields will be pulled into the quote when the contact record is retrieved. Once we have the contact pulled over and some products on the Document Items tab, let's save the quote. Here you can choose to create or update a linked document. Selecting this option will create a note record for the contact and will attach a linked document as an attachment on the Documents tab of Maximizer. We can switch to Maximizer to see the linked document that was created. On the Documents tab of the contact record, you'll see each quote that was created for this contact. This linked document is very useful. When your customer calls back in reference to your quote, you or anyone in the office can easily look up the company record, double-click the attachment to launch QuoteWerks, and open the selected quote. You can also add fields from Maximizer into your layout. In QuoteWerks, select the File, Print menu. Select one of your layouts and click the Edit button. At the top left, select the Insert Data Field menu. Choose Contact Manager for the table, and then under the Fields drop-down, you'll see all the Maximizer fields you have available to choose from. We'll select the Category field like we did earlier with the data link. Click OK, and then add the field to the layout. Save and close, and we'll click the Preview button to test it. Here you can see the value from the Category field has been included. As you've seen, information flows seamlessly between QuoteWerks and Maximizer. This seamless integration will increase your productivity so you can spend more time selling and less time creating price quotes.